Hello, my name is Rebekah Dandurand, and I will be presenting Project 2 on the topic of implementing a plan to introduce the technology tool of Virtual Augmented Reality, also known as Virtual AR. This is a technological tool that has various programs to provide 360-degree views, content libraries designed to support deeper learning with the benefits of virtual reality in education and engaging students to increase their social and emotional connections to curricular topics. I would like to present Virtual AR in the next 8 sections of how I plan to implement and propose this technology to be used in my campus, Vernon World Languages Academy. As an educator who sees the overall benefits, I'd like to start with planning your technology initiatives. This part involves a plan I want to present before purchasing this technology. It is aligned with the steps of looking at how educators can turn 2D devices into 3D devices. This will involve taking inventory of our current Chromebooks and other technology tools and budgeting based on how and when students would use this tool if purchased for user enrichment, as well as the next section, which is determining your technology. This would be used in evaluation of the existing environment and capabilities based on needs determined by the students. And instructional staff, administrative, and operations staff would also be taken into consideration for how this information would be used in taking on the technology needs of using virtual AR. In the next step, selecting your technology needs, this will be used to consider what kinds of issues and options can be selected, which is going to be made effectively filling the gap between what is needed and what is available. Number 4 step would be implementing your technology needs. I plan to assemble an implementation project manager that will adhere to having trained staff to implement the virtual AR as a tool in the classrooms amongst staff and students. This involves from testing hardware and software to a change owner of information systems on virtual AR. In regards to safeguarding your technology, this step of my plan would be to implement virtual AR and introduce this technological tool with the necessity of protecting technology equipment and information, especially when used for educational purposes that require active steps made to ensure the integrity and security of its data be managed and adequately protected at all times. In my next step, maintaining and supporting your technology, this part involves overseeing a system use, maintenance, and ongoing improvement when using virtual AR equipment in a school district to make sure that we value the use of technology both administratively and instructionally with maintenance plans in place. This includes technical support staff committee for being key members of the school's planning process in maintaining the support for using virtual AR in the classrooms. The next step would be training your technology. This step is where I plan to implement training on virtual AR tools and equipment, along with software and hardware training to students and staff to manage installing and maintaining the technology infrastructure that is needed for this tool. And last but not least, integrating your technology. This will be part of my implementation plan to introduce the standards and processes needed for virtual AR to be integrated as an effective educational and technological tool. As for my references and for more information on virtual AR as an educational tool, I started my research with National Center for Education Statistics, and I also found the promise of immersive learning, augment, and virtual reality's potential in education. As well as I researched using virtual reality systems in education And these are the references for any future questions or more information. Thank you for your time and consideration to listen to my plan to the use of virtual AR as a technology tool to be used for educational purposes. Thank you.